All right. What is going on, everybody? Today I got another video for you that's, in my opinion, a super important topic. And this is all about why most people give up on their hair systems, and how can you avoid the very same thing. Now, first, please like, comment, and subscribe in this video. Hit the notification bell below. Please stay active in this community. This is something that we can be a strong brotherhood and help each other out. Now, the one thing that keeps most people from keeping their hair system, I'm convinced, it's the fact that, see, what happens is when you first get your hair system, you're going to be elated, generally speaking. You're going to be so stinking happy. You're going to feel so amazing in your skin, and you're going to feel confident. You're going to feel brave. You're going to feel courageous. You're going to feel all of these things that you have psychologically linked to having hair. And it's going to feel really amazing, but out of the blue, all of a sudden, that high is going to absolutely tank. You're going to get depressed. You're going to feel like you're not sure if it's worth it. And what this is all in relationship with is actually control and power. Let me explain a little bit further. So when you first get your hair system installed, everything is perfect. The hairline is perfect. The haircut hopefully is perfect. And you can go on your merry way. You go about your life. You start experiencing things. You don't have to think about it. Lo and behold, maybe a week after, maybe 10 days, who knows, what happens? The bond starts to break. The bond gets weaker. You start seeing little things that you have to do maintenance on. And that's when it all falls down and hits you right in the face. See, the thing about the bond is that it can take away the perception that this is really you and your hair, and that this is your new identity, and it comes crashing down. I experienced that, and that's why I shaved my head. One of the reasons why I shaved my head, there's others as well. And it can be really hard to get past. Really, really hard. It can feel like it's not worth it to continue. Now, over the past 6 weeks or so that I've had a hair system reinstalled, and things have been going really, really well, I made a commitment. That I was going to learn how to handle my own maintenance and reinstallation, or cleaning, if you will, and reinstall. And the reason that I did this is because I felt this desire that I had to sail my own seas, if you will. That I couldn't be bound to someone else taking care of this thing on my head. See, it's really frustrating when you find all this liberation and all this freedom in wearing your hair system, but it's confined to someone else. It's bound to your hairstylist or a certain salon, or even it's bound to spending $60 to $150 for a reinstall, and having to wait for an appointment, and having to deal with all the intermediary things until you can go to that appointment. It's really infuriating, and it's really sucky. The whole system's really sucky. And I felt that too. I would quantify in my mind. I'd be like, oh man, like I need to make it go another week, because I don't want to start getting like hair system reinstalls like every 2 to 3 weeks. I want to do it every like 4 to 5 weeks. And I would push it further, and I would have to deal with the bond breaking a little bit too far potentially for my lifestyle. And it just felt like I was trapped. I literally felt like I was trapped. And what I've realized is that since I have taken on the task of reinstalling it myself, I have become so much more liberated. Now, let me tell you what my experience is here. So since my last installation of a new unit, it's been about 6 weeks. During those 6 weeks, I have had to reinstall my unit twice. Okay, now the first time I tried to do it all myself. I tried shaving my head, and boy, oh boy, that was strange, and that was hard. Like, shaving back here when you can't see is super duper difficult, but managed to kind of get it done. I probably didn't do it as well as I could have, and then I didn't know what to do. I got all of the old adhesive out of my hair and off of my scalp, but when it came to first applying tape to my new unit and then applying it on my head, there's no way this is possible. There's no way I can do this by myself. So I called on my girlfriend and I asked her to see if she could help. Luckily she did, and that was an amazing gift that she gave me, because it was almost like this bridge. It was like I kind of did it, but I kind of needed her help. Well, I know I definitely needed her help, and I didn't do any of the installation myself that time. But it helped me see that if she could learn it within one time, and you know, she messed up a little things, but you know what, you couldn't see it on the videos. I had some like, if you will, what do you call those things? They were like flaps, or no, they were like, it was a little bit loose. It wasn't completely taut when she put it down, and you know, she did fine though, and we learned our lesson. We learned a little bit more about how to do this. So the last time that I reinstalled, which is probably about maybe a week and a half ago now, I told her that I might need her help, but I was like, I think I need to try this 100% myself, because I need to feel like I can do this and like I am capable of taking this on myself. So I walked into the bathroom, I shaved my head, and that took time. It takes a lot of time by yourself. And then I was like, you know what? Okay, I'm gonna put the tape on this unit. And guess what? It took time. It took time to get it right and get it all lined up on the outside. And then finally, I put it on my head, and I got it wrong. It was like flopped over to the side, and the hairline was like down here. It was like really embarrassing. I was like looking in the mirror. I was like, oh my God. But I managed to fix it. It took me like 5 or 6 different attempts to actually install it to get it right, but I did. And I gotta tell you, since that moment, I've felt so liberated, and like all of this other stuff doesn't really matter as much. These small things like the bond breaking on the 10th day as opposed to the 14th day doesn't really bother me as much, because I know it's something that's coming, and I know that I can do it myself now. And that's really exciting, because I think that, you know, we're always scared, or we feel fear or anxiety over things that we don't have control over, or things we can't manage or don't know how to handle. And figuring out how to take care of your own hair system is one of the most relieving and satisfying things that I did, and I believe you can do as well. So what this video is all about, right, is if you have a hair system, or you're thinking about getting a hair system, and you're like, man, I don't know if I have the money to kind of get reinstalls all the time, or you have one right now but your bond is breaking and you're waiting for your appointment, or you know, maybe you're realizing how expensive it is to constantly go to a hairstylist every 2, 3, 4 weeks, and you want to try it yourself. You can do it. I learned how to do it, and I did not think that I could do it, but I said there's a way. If someone else has figured it out, and there are people who have figured it out, I was like, I can figure this out myself. Now, it was a really satisfying moment that I had bought Curtis My Hair Experience ebook, which I plan on making an ebook for you guys as well in this near future. But I plan on making an ebook. But in his video, he said that you're going to need someone else to help you with this right here. It'll take them 5 minutes of your time. And I took that as a challenge. Like, I'm going to figure out how to do this completely by myself, and not only just make it look okay, but make it look really, really good. So you're looking at my hair system right now. It's completely installed by myself. It looks good. I did a good job. I'm not afraid to say it. But guys, so if this is what's holding you back, know that I'm going to be making some content about this in the near future. I'm going to be showing you how to exactly put your unit on yourself so you do not have to rely on other people. You may still choose to go to a hair system or a hair salon or whatever it is, but you will have the potential to do it yourself and be free to do it yourself, and that is empowering, and that will keep you from shaving your head like this guy. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell below, do all of that fun stuff, and I'll catch you in the next one.